Welcome. Ever found yourself needing a quick escape from unwanted interactions on X? Whether it's spam, harassment, or just someone you'd rather not engage with anymore, blocking is a simple but powerful tool. Let me walk you through the updated steps to block any account in less than a minute. First, open the X app or website and navigate to the profile of the account you want to block. This could be someone's main page, where you see their bio, posts, and followers. Got it? Perfect. Now look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of their profile. These dots are your gateway to more options. Tap or click on them, and a menu will pop up. Among the choices like Report or Mute, you'll see the option labeled Block. Go ahead and select it. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you're sure you want to block this account. It might read something like, "Blocking will prevent this account from following you, seeing your posts, or messaging you." Hit block again to confirm, and just like that, you're done. Once blocked, that account can no longer view your profile, tag you in posts, or send you direct messages. They won't be notified, but they might figure it out if they try interacting with your content and hit a wall. A quick tip: if you ever change your mind, you can unblock them anytime by revisiting their profile and selecting Unblock in the same menu. Flexibility is key. Blocking isn't just about cutting off negativity. It's about curating your online space to feel safe and focused. Use it wisely, and don't hesitate to take control of your experience. That's all there is to it. Now go ahead and tidy up your feed. And if you found this helpful, drop a like or share it with someone who might need the reminder. See you in the next one.